In this step, we will machine the right side cam using a rotary cut method. Rotary toolpaths are used on machines that allow for simultaneous 4-axis movements to create a 4-axis surface machining toolpath which cuts around or along the axis of rotation of the machine. The rotary toolpath is a finishing toolpath. To demonstrate both rotary cut and axial cut, we are going to finish the part first using the rotary cutting method and then the axial cutting method. In the toolpaths group, expand the gallery under multi-axis. Select Rotary. Make sure you're in the Tool group and select Library Tool. Click on Filter. Change the type to Ball End Mill. Change the tool diameter to equal 1 inch. Then press OK. Select the 1-inch ball end mill and press OK. Enter the comment, finish the right side cam using rotary with the rotary cut method. Change the feed rate to 25, the spindle speed 2139, FPT, SFM, change the plunge rate to 15, and the retract rate to 25. Select Cut Pattern. Cut pattern settings determine the geometry that the tool follows and how it travels along that geometry. The rotary cut method is designed to cut around the diameter using a 4-axis output. Click on Select. Then select this surface and press Enter. Ensure cutting method is set to rotary cut. Stock to leave on drive surfaces is set to 0.005 and cut tolerance is set to 0.001. Ensure direction of closed contours is set to climb and direction of open contours is set to one way. Select Tool Axis Control. Tool Axis Control settings determine the tool's orientation in relation to the geometry being cut. Use Center Point allows you to generate tool vectors that terminate at the selected point. Deselect it to generate tool vectors that are normal to the surface. Axis dampening length determines the angular change between the vectors. A longer axis dampening length creates less angular change between the vectors. A shorter length provides more tool positions in a tool path that adheres closely to the surface. Lead lag angle is a positive or negative value. This tilts the tool forward or backwards in the direction of the tool path. Maximum steps controls the distance between passes. The distance is measured parallel to the axis of rotation. Tool vector length controls the toolpath display by determining the length of the tool axis at each tool position. The recommended value is 1 inch. Change the lead lag angle to 10. Select linking. Ensure clearance is enabled and set to 6. Disable retract and set the feed plane to 1.5. Linking parameters determine how the tool moves when it is not cutting material. In this page you can set the clearance, retract, and feed plane, and force the tool to move directly between the passes at the feed rate. Select OK to generate the toolpath. Now we will backplot the toolpath. Select the Toolpaths Manager and select the Simulator Options icon. Make sure Stock Setup is selected as shown. Then press OK. Click on Backplot. Then select Options. Enable Display Vectors and set the length to 0.25 inches. Then press OK. Then run the backplot. When backplot is finished, press OK.